Look at this beautiful rural mosque in Bangladesh. It may look simple from the outside, built with bamboo and old tin sheets, but inside it carries something priceless: faith, peace, and unity. In these quiet villages of Bangladesh, devoted Muslims come together here every day to pray. There are no luxury decorations, no expensive carpets. The floor is just bare earth, covered with simple mats or prayer rugs. Yet the sincerity of the people fills this place with a powerful spiritual atmosphere. This mosque is not just a building, it is a symbol of simplicity, humility, and strong belief. Farmers, workers, elders, and young boys all stand shoulder to shoulder, equal before their Creator. In this small space, there is no difference between rich and poor, only hearts connected through faith. Far away from